I believe everything we had was less so young and naive.
Yeah, I got
So cozy. OOT. That's right. Hey, hi guys, welcome back to the channel for the people, by the people, with the people, everything people. I am Kels, Mabula, and I'm back with a birthday vlog this time around, and that's on Per. Guys, I did my own lashes. Can you guys tell? Ooh, ask for holy. I did my own lashes. Lapo, I was just saying, can you guys see? I don't know if you guys could see, but like, I just thought, let me just try, because I'm tired of paying for, like, guys, but I do my own hair, nails, going, because I don't want to pay. Yeah. We all don't want to pay. So yes, this is how I look. I showed you guys my outfit. We're here for my birthday vlog with my brother. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoy this vlog. That gate is gonna freaking annoy me, honestly. Like, why are we anyways, get this day. How do you call it? It's a Thursday. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's firstly, let's firstly take a thumbnail for the shoot. I want to show you guys what we got. Ooh. I hope there's nothing missing or anything. Oh guys, give it to it's not like we're gonna use it. So we got rolls, because we're gonna buy garlic rolls as well. What is this? Oh, Lapa, there's no space in the fridge. Spaghetti bolognese, water, wagon, and 2 of these, and this. That is all for now. Clink clink.
Continue to try to play these games. Leave your family in the cold rain, and I don't think you'll ever change your ways. Because a house is not a home with no one.
Hey guys, so it is currently 25 past ish. You guys have got me that. Guys, I've been waiting to open this. I know it's not midnight yet, but Iman. Mañana ona Guys, is she mad? This is cute. Hi, Valent. Hi, Valent. This girl is crazy. What? She is crazy. These are. But why Valent by Zainoi? Hakare umpisa man kelani keslani. I don't know what she calls me, but when I catch you, the ballet. So they gave me money to buy myself a gift now, and because I've always wanted, not always, Kels. Well, they gave me money to buy myself a gift, and because I wanted a bag, and I had been using my mom's bag. Oh, guys, can you sort that bag? And it was starting to get a bit raggedy, so I was like, you know what? Let me just go get myself a bag. So this is a gift from Yena to me, which I got myself. The stuff, the show. Lulu. Ashu Lulu. Lambana Lulu. Got myself this bad. I mean, you guys know how much this is. I don't even have to like. You guys stuff this bag. I know. It's my birthday. Please don't spill on me. Cheers to 26, baby.
Happy birthday.
How I wanna look born already. Cheers, guys. Cheers to 26. I don't know how I feel. I'm supposed to be happy, but my mood is just nice. Morning, guys. Morning. It is the 11th of October. OVO, baby. You looking at a birthday glow. Birthday glow, Luna. Anyways, morning, guys. It's my birthday today. Woke up, I don't know what time, then I slept, and guys, it's me having problems on my freaking birthday, but I'm gonna sort it out just now. I must bath and put on makeup, and honestly, I'm not sure I want to bath today. But for those that know, they know I don't want to bath today, but I'm gonna have to. Yeah, anyways, let me get ready, guys. Put on my makeup, beat my face. I don't know, I like doing, yeah, anyways, I put more champagne, so they're coming to clean here. Then I'm gonna go take a shower, and then yeah, I hope you guys are still liking and enjoying this vlog. Mwah, dolls. A shower, bright my stacky off.
Always.
He's doing the team. I'm going to go bath, guys. I'm gonna go bath. Not my brother putting small meat on the breast, and so I had to marinate this.
You invited people that you didn't tell me about.
I'm gonna put here.
I'm thinking.
Done taking a shower. I'm done taking a shower. I just did my eyebrows. I'm gonna do my face beat after taking a picture. I'm gonna go take a picture in this outfit and then I'm gonna change. Let me show. I'm looking at the heel and then I'm gonna change. Because I never got to take a picture. But I never got to take a picture. Oh. I'm not gonna do my face with you guys because I'm gonna take years. In to 26, baby. First class as a 26. I can mark. I can lips you.
I was about to say.
I am done, you guys. This is my birthday beat. 8. I am woo. Mo go tla e fixa man. Yo, same hair. Tanaga Caroline. Which shoes I'm gonna wear, but this is outfit of the birthday. Nothing crazy, nothing. Excuse the lighting, Lona.
Yabona ke manje ushanga amapaniko ama-champagne akwazi nokuyivula nje adlala.
I don't know why I changed because clearly I'm not going to go swim. Guys, I don't know. My mood has just been, I don't know. I'm just not feeling 26. I don't know what's happening.
Pretty finished. I'll just put in this last.
Thank you so much.
Next day.
Morning, you guys. It is the next day today, yo. Sana, it's the next day today. It's a Saturday. One thing about my birthday, it was too good. It was scrumptious, yum. So it's checkout time now, but it's checkout time. My brother and I made new friends, so they booked to go that side. I'll show you guys. So they want us to chill and swim and drink and just continue with the party. Personally, I'm tired. I'm hanging. So am I gonna chill? Yes. Why? Because I like things. But otherwise, like
And you were influenced by your rock star.
guys, I don't wanna lie, like I'm finished.
And I'm still rocking.
Outfit of the day. Sana didn't even wash my face properly. This side, oh my god. It's like a catch like from this side to this side. morning, guys. It's Sunday. Just woke up a few minutes ago. This vlog was so messy, man. Like, I was vlogging now, but now that I'm editing, I'm just like, what the hell is going on? I'm so confused. But I tried to give you guys a vlog. I hope you guys are gonna like this video and enjoy it. And I mean, yo, my birthday was late. I'm still gonna say this. My birthday was lady. Maobani, Skypita Kolona, like, we're gonna go chill, you know, streaming. I like. Okay, that was part of the plan. But guys, I was hanging. I was tired. We ended up leaving early around 12ish, 1ish. When I got home, I ate and I slept. Then I woke up around, I don't know what time, chilled with my mom a bit, and then later on I slept. I slept very early, like way too early. So yeah, it's a Sunday today. I'm up. I want to start another vlog tomorrow. Consistency gang. I know that's right. Oh, my face is so puffy. Yeah, guys, so yeah, that's the update. I hope you guys are gonna like and enjoy this video. Please give it a huge thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe if you're not subscribed, because I know there's people that are watching and they're not subscribed, because it shows me all my analytics like, why are you watching but you're not subscribed? Anyways, until next time, I love you guys. Bye.